Hi everyone, we're going to make these beautiful flowers using craft paper. We're folding this pink craft paper first into half, then make multiple folds. Now we are going to cut it, open it, and you will get a pentagon shape. Again fold it like this, make a triangular shape and start folding it from its sides and do this from all its corners like this. Now pull the paper downwards. Here we are going to make the petals of the flower, open it and fold it from its corners like this. Again we are going to open it and then fold it like this in downwards direction and make many folds from all its sides. You will get a star shape here. Now open all the petals and look, your flower is ready. You can make more such flowers. Let's make this tulip flower using craft paper. We are folding this yellow paper. Make a triangular shape, fold it from its sides, flip it and again fold it. Now we are going to make the flower petals. So tuck the paper inside from all its sides and gently blow it like this from its bottom side and pull the petals downwards. Your flower is ready. We are going to make the leaves using this green craft paper. Fold it like this and gently open it. Make two such shapes, tuck it and look, your flower is ready. Here we are going to make this mini flower bouquet using craft paper. So let's get started. First we are going to fold this paper. Look at the print. You can take normal paper as well. Now we are going to roll it from its side and make a beautiful rose flower like this. Roll it and twist it and it's done. After this we are going to paste it using a glue at the end. Make more such flowers, put all of them and tie it using a rubber band. Now we are going to wrap it. So take a paper, cover it and look, your mini bouquet is ready. Let's make these beautiful flowers using craft paper. We are folding this red craft paper, fold it from its diagonals and make a triangular shape like this. Again fold it from its sides, flip it and pull the paper downwards. Now we are going to fold it from its corner, flip it and open the paper from its sides. Now we are going to fold it from other side and make multiple folds like this. Here we are making the petals. So tuck the paper inside like this, flip it and again fold it from its sides like we're doing here. Do the same from other side as well and look, your flower is ready. After this we are going to put this yellow paper inside and leaf and look, it is ready. Let's make origami butterfly. You can also use it as bookmark. So let's get started. We are folding this printed craft paper, fold it from its sides like this. Now fold it similar way from its top section. Here we are going to make this crease here. So press it into half and you will get this triangular shape. Gently open it and again fold it. Here we are making many folds at the center like we are doing here and give shape to the butterfly wings by folding the paper like this. Again we are going to do the same from other side as well. Flip it. Now we are making the body of the butterfly. So fold it and tuck the paper inside and look, it's ready. You will get a heart shape at the center. Fold it from its sides and look, your butterfly is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.